This short video is designed to show you how to use your graphing calculator to find the slope along a curve function, such as a quadratic function. So here you can see I've got some data which when we graph, we'll do a zoom 9 here. Well, I guess we turn on our stat plots, forgot to do that. There we go. Alright, here we have some curved data, and let's say we would like to know what is the slope at that point right there, and which would be a tangent line. Well, the calculator can do that, but first we have to get the function for this. So I go to Stat, Calc, and that looked like a quadratic to me, so I'll do a quadratic function, and of course I'll tell it L1, comma, L2, comma, and vars, y vars, function, and y1, and hit enter. So here it gives us our function. A term is 0.5, the B term is 0.5, and the C term is 2. And when I graph that, there we go. And as I said, I would like to find the slope at that point right there, which represents 1, 2, 3, the 4th second during this motion. So to do this, I'm going to use this draw feature right here. So I'm going to go to second, draw, and you notice the 5th function down is tangent. So I press enter. And you can show up anywhere in here, but since I'm interested specifically in the 4th, I could either move around like this, and you notice it makes very small movements. Right here you can see what the x value is, but I really want to do the 4th. So I'll literally just type in 4 and hit enter. And you notice here it drew the tangent line, and it told me that the slope at that point was 4.5. And if I want to find other ones, I could do that as well. Let me show you how to get rid of that line so you don't get too crowded. You go to second, draw again, clear draw number 1, and it gets rid of that. And then I go and I could draw another one. Let's say 3, since it's there. And you notice the slope is 3.5, and that makes sense. This slope is not as great as this slope. This is an example of an increasing slope. If this were a position time graph, for example, this would show that the velocity is becoming a greater and greater positive number.